Choco and Chip's train ride. So, we're gonna read today Choco and Chip's train ride story. Alright? So it says Choco and Chip were on a train to the zoo. They were dreaming of monkeys, elephants, and giraffes too. They sat by the window and looked at sunflower fields. The fields were bright as sunshine, and the flowers were swaying with the breeze. Choco and Chip were carrying papers, drawing boards, colors, and pencils. They wanted to draw all the things that they saw on their way. Hey Choco, did you know that giraffes are so tall that they can touch the sky and the color, the clouds? Chip said. Chip, did you know that elephants are so big that they can carry huge trees like twigs? Choco teased Chip. The friends started laughing. The train chugged along the tracks. Tickets, please, the ticket collector called. Choco, I think they're with you, said Chip. Choco checked her bag, but she didn't have the tickets. Chip, I think they're with you, Choco told Chip, but they were not with Chip either. Are you trying to trick me? You don't have tickets, shouted the ticket collector. We bought tickets, we're honest, cried Choco. Find them or leave the train at the next station, scolded the ticket collector. What do we do, Chip? I don't want to miss the zoo, said Choco. Neither do I. I'm sure we will find them somewhere, replied Chip. They started looking everywhere for the tickets. Choco emptied her bag, so did Chip. They kept everything on the seat. Look, nothing. Maybe we left them at the ticket counter after we paid, thought Chip. Or maybe we left them at the sandwich stand, said Choco. Or maybe we left them on the bench where we sat as we waited for the train to arrive. Chip thought aloud. Soon, Choco and Chip got hungry. Choco pulled out some fruits. They had bananas and apples. Chip opened his bag and pulled out some sandwiches. They were wrapped in a strange paper. What's wrapped in that paper? Asked Choco. Our sandwiches. The train arrived and we wrapped them in the paper, since there was no time to eat them, replied Chip. They unwrapped the sandwiches. Guess what they found? The tickets. Hooray! There they are, exclaimed Chip. Choco and Chip gobbled the sandwiches. They handed over the tickets to the ticket collector. Yahoo! They screamed. Nothing could stop them from going to the zoos. The end.